Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now.
Sancho fixes 4 distinct Office failures using organized filing rules, but its precise taxonomy reveals how work is actually structured. It provides a simple harness for non-programmers who need reliable spreadsheets and fast executive reports. Like Sancho Panza warning Don Quijote about giants, this assistant pragmatically tracks receipts and keeps your daily work grounded. When you install Sancho, it skips tedious onboarding forms and asks just one language question before creating your workspace folders. Because Claude Code forgets everything when you close the window, Sancho uses structured filing to preserve your session preferences. Its clear taxonomy separates rules, hooks, skills, agents, and commands so repetitive tasks transform into reusable automation. With 167 tools, Agent Trade Kit lets AI execute crypto trades, but client setup takes just 3 simple commands. It delivers 2 standalone packages so you can trade via an MCP server or directly from your terminal. This protocol connects AI assistants directly to your account while keeping API keys stored locally on your machine. It covers the full trading lifecycle across 11 modules, giving your assistant built-in algo orders and safety controls. You get instant access to ticker and order book data alongside technical indicators without needing any API authentication. To start, simply install the CLI, configure your credentials, and register your AI client in 3 quick commands. Using a merged publish artifact, claude-skill-registry updates daily, but how does it guarantee precise release integrity? Here, canonical authority stays inside core workflows, while this main repository serves as a mirror. You get 3 access modes, including browser search, a terminal CLI, and direct JSON APIs. Notice that source changes for security scanning and discovery belong upstream, keeping this repository strictly for browsing. Key highlights feature a deduplicated skill index with star counts and fast zip client search. Operational ownership resolves through a publish contract that dispatches releases with pinned commit hashes for total reproducibility. Using Click to Focus, Claude Notifications Go alerts you instantly, but stick around to see how automated hooks trigger them. These smart alerts combine Git branch details and webhooks to keep your workflow focused without constant tab switching. The guide covers updating options, sound configuration, and platform support details for quick reference. Clicking a notification targets your exact terminal tab across all Silicon, Intel, Linux, and Windows setups. You run a single curl command to bootstrap everything without requiring additional background software. Subagent stop hooks analyze state machine events to trigger status icons when reviews or tasks finish. Sandboxed executes AI agent missions in isolated Linux workspaces over MCP, but which coordinator actually drives its production runtimes? Formerly known as OpenAgent, this self-hosted backend executes isolated missions for autonomous agents. You hand off entire dev cycles when agents point at a GitHub issue and build. In this 2-part system, agents drive execution over MCP to actually build things in isolation. Scheduled controllers manage structured state across the infrastructure, letting you monitor agent streams. Herms acts as the reference implementation in production, managing control conversations, crons, and isolated coding runtimes. Using Markdown skills, JobSeeker lets AI agents handle your applications, but how does it keep private data safe? Starring the repository helps other devs discover this automated approach to modern career searches. Even with no coding experience needed, agents like Antigravity set up your browser, database, and candidate profile automatically. Command line scripts print a terminal Kanban grouped by stage, giving you complete visual tracking of your pipeline. Since the average applicant spends hours filling repetitive forms, this system lets your agent handle easy apply forms automatically. When the agent loads your profile and records applications, your data lives securely in Postgres, without committing personal files. That's the mix for today. More trending dev tools and AI agents in the next one.